Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking this query that I have won 11 arcade points from the all January events. Also, I have completed some of the skill badges. Now, how to claim the swags? Can we claim the swags directly in the January itself, or we have to wait for some more time? So here in this video, I'll talk about it. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and to like the video. Coming to the topic directly, that do you get the swags instantly once you complete the lab or once you complete the badges? So first of all, you need to understand the criteria. Okay. So first of all, you need to understand the criteria. There are some tires. For example, novice tire, trooper tire, trooper tire and ranger tire, champion tire, and legend tire. So these are the name of tires. Each contains some of the point limits. Okay. Some of the point limits. For example, it was 25 for previous cohort. Similarly, it was 45 for previous cohort. It was 75. It was the Ranger was 65 and the Legend was 95. So what are these points? See, once you complete the arcade games, you get some points. You can see over here that we get one arcade point for completing each game. Some games gives us special arcade points, that is giving 2 points instead of one. So total we have 11 arcade points if you have not missed out special games of the previous cohort, means sorry, previous cohort not, if you haven't missed the work like refresh game of the January event. See, so you'll be having 11 arcade points. So can we claim stocks with 11 arcade points? The answer is no. You need to reach a certain tier. For example, you want to buy something and you are having 10 rupees, but the amount of that item is 25 rupees. Will we able to buy it? Okay. You need to have the accurate amount of money. For example, if you are trying to buy something with 25 rupees but you only have 5 rupees or 10 rupees, you cannot buy. I hope this analogy help you to understand. So what will happen? The arcade program is from Jan to June. So you have to keep earning, keep doing each month game. Okay, once you reach that tier, for example, we are giving an example of 25 points. So once you reach 25 points, then you can claim the novice tier. Similarly, they will update the points. So I'll make the points update video also whenever it is released. So stay tuned for it. Similarly, if you achieve 75 points, okay, then you will be able to reach the claim the 75 points facts. Okay, so this is the major thing you are not understanding, and that too you won't be able to claim directly once you achieve 25. For example, you achieve 25 points, you won't be able to get the stacks directly once you reach that tier. You need to wait for the price counter to open. As you have seen the previous price counter which opened in December, and this price counter will be opening in January 2020. Sorry, January not June 2026. For January cohort, it will be opening on June 2026. So until then, you can keep earning all the arcade points. It will be saved just like you have statements, just like you have balance, mobile balance, etc. It's just added up. Means suppose you have earned 11 arcade points in January, you will be earning 11 arcade points in February. It will be added till the end, means till the price counter opens till June. Okay, so keep earning more points. Do not worry, whenever the price will be there, whenever the claiming process will be live, I'll make a video. As of now, keep earning points. You won't be able to claim the swags just by earning 5 points or 10 points. There is separate criteria for earning swags, so which will be released when they will update it. Okay, as of now, I just wanted to clarify that for claiming swags you need to reach that tier, and currently that tier has not been revealed yet. So as of now, just keep earning points. Okay, whatever we are sharing the solutions updates, just follow it and wait for the new update. Whenever it will be live, I'll make a dedicated video. You need to have some more points, so you'll be earning till June. Okay, there'll be some additional events also like facilitator programs and much more events are there. So till then, just stay tuned and do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to participate and want to know more about the arcade program, here is the detailed video, how tracks are getting delivered, how all things are covered. You can watch this video too. So thank you, have a great day ahead.